Hello guys, I am Jagat and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, let us unbox a smart TV from iFalcon. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel or you have watched my previous videos and have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Before unboxing, let's have a look around the box. On top left, we have got iFalcon mentioned. Then we have got Android TV, and below it, we have got 4K Ultra HD TV mentioned. Then on the bottom, we have got the specification. Now let's move on to the other side. Again on the other side, we have got the same specification. Now moving on to the sides. On the side we have got the company name and Android TV mentioned. On top we have instruction for removing the TV safely from the box. Okay, now it's time for unboxing. Inside the box we have accessories like TV stand, wall mount bracket, manual book, remote and some screws. Now let's slowly remove the TV from the box. Now coming to the physical overview. On right side we have got all the ports like HDMI, USB and so on. Then on bottom right side we have port for powering on the TV. Now coming to the bottom of the TV, on the bottom we have got power button on the center. Then we have got speakers on either side. Then we have mount for the TV stand. We have got the company name iFalcon mentioned on the center, and below it we have got notification light. Starting off with the screen size, TV comes with 55-inch 4K Ultra HD display. It comes with high dynamic range 10 with 60 Hz refresh rate. The color tone of this TV is excellent. TV runs on Android 9.2 Pie. As of the RAM and ROM, it comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. Coming to the speakers, it has Dolby Atmos with surround sound technology. The TV comes with built-in Chromecast, which helps us to stream contents easily. As of the ports, the TV has LAN, 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. So taking a look at the screen part is actually thin, but if you look on the right side, it is actually thick. Next, let's take a look at the home screen. So whenever we power on this TV, it will bring us to the screen. So here we have contents from applications like Netflix, YouTube, ZEE5 and so on. The home screen looks similar to Xiaomi's patch wall. Remote is small and nice. Usually if we see in smart TV remotes, we will have only the Google Assistant button. But in this remote, we also get 2 additional buttons, one for Netflix and the other one for TCL TV application. This dedicated Netflix button would be really useful for all the Netflix users. Now let us take a look at this TCL TV application. Inside this TCL TV application, we have got both paid and free contents from ZEE5 and other streaming services. For pairing TV and remote, we have to press the home button and OK button together for 3 seconds, and that's it. Okay, now let's test it. Okay Google.
Alright, what can I do for you?
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Latest news. Close YouTube. Open Amazon Prime.
Opening Prime Video.
Talking about the power button, this is the only button present in the TV. So the single button is used for powering on, off, navigating as well as for selecting. So as we can see, short click is for changing and long click is for selection. Now let's play some videos on the TV and check the video quality. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. Let me know what you guys think about this TV in the comment section below. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.